Hey everyone, and welcome back to Yuno Coding. I'm Yuno, and today we're diving into an incredibly useful tool for anyone looking to analyze TikTok user data. Have you ever wondered how to gather information about a specific TikTok user, such as their follower count, following count, the number of videos they've posted, or even more detailed insights? Today, I'm excited to introduce you to a powerful tool on the Apify platform called the TikTok User Information Scraper. This tool will help us easily collect this kind of data quickly and efficiently. To get this tool working, we need to provide it with some input information. Apify has provided us with a very clear input data structure, also known as the input schema. As you can see here, there are three main fields for you to choose from. First, we have usernames. This field allows you to enter the username of the TikTok account you want to scrape information from. For example, Nike. You can enter multiple usernames at once by adding them to the list. This is the highest priority method. Second is user IDs. This field lets you enter the user ID of the TikTok account. This ID is usually a very long string of numbers, like 6quintillion, 714 quadrillion, 563,164,218,679,553. You typically get this ID from other TikTok API data or sources. Finally, we have URLs. This field allows you to enter the direct URL to the user's TikTok profile page. For example, https://www.tiktok.com/@nickiminai. Similarly, you can enter multiple URLs at once. You can see that each field has a detailed description and specific examples, making it easy for us to understand and use. Keep in mind that the usernames field will have the highest priority if you enter data into multiple fields simultaneously. Now, let's walk through how to use this tool together. First, I'll try scraping information from a user using their username. In the usernames section, I'll enter the username Nike. If you want to scrape multiple usernames at the same time, just press Enter after each username to add it to the list. Once you've entered the username, we'll click the Save and Run button. The tool will then begin collecting information. We'll wait a moment for the tool to finish the scraping process. The waiting time will depend on the number of users you want to scrape and the complexity of the data. Next, I'll show you how to use the user ID. In the User's ID section, I'll enter an example, ID 67145, and end with 553. Just like with usernames, you can enter multiple IDs at once. After entering the ID, we'll click Save and Run again. Finally, let's try using the URL of a TikTok profile page. In the User's URL section, I'll enter an example, URL, tiktok.com, nickiminai. Once entered, we'll click Save and Run one more time. Now, there's an important point to keep in mind, especially for those of you using a trial or free Apify account. This tool has certain limitations. As you can see here, combined usernames, user IDs, and URLs limit to 2. This means that if you're on a free plan, you can only input a maximum of 2 targets. Could be 2 usernames, or 2 user IDs, or 2 URLs, or any combination of them. If you need to scrape more data, you'll need to upgrade to one of Apify's paid plans. You can find detailed information about their pricing at this link, apify.com/pricing. Once the tool has finished running, we'll switch over to the Output tab to see the collected data. Here, you can see a lot of detailed information about the user we specified. For example, their ID, username, follower count, following count, the number of liked videos, the number of posted videos, their bio, avatar URL, and much more. You can view the data directly here, or you can download it as a JSON, CSV, or Excel file for easier analysis and later use. To download, look for the Download or Export button on the interface. So that's how you can easily use the TikTok User Information Scraper tool on Apify.com. I hope this video has been helpful for those of you looking to collect and analyze TikTok user data. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more interesting tutorial videos. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. I'll do my best to answer them as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.